Hello there, I'm Brandy Barnard from the Stampin' Up! Home Office. I have a special delivery for you, straight from Santa. It's the Sincerely Santa Project Kit. This beautiful kit makes 30 detailed tags that will adorn your presents with such gorgeous detail, everyone's going to think you had help from the elves. Let's start by seeing all the beautiful pieces that come in this kit. Look at all of these pre-cut, patterned and foil tag pieces. Plus you get self-adhesive stars, some really beautiful delicate foil snowflakes, jingle bells, doilies, a couple kinds of ribbon, and last but not least, the gorgeous tin to keep your finished tags in. I just cannot believe you can get so much amazing value for the price of one little kit. To complete the tags, you'll need stamps and ink. So you can order those when you order your kit, or you can get together with friends who own the Sincerely Santa stamp set and these two classic ink pads, Garden Green and Cherry Cobbler. Of course, you'll want scissors and adhesive as well. So here's my paper snips. And the adhesives used for this kit are the snail adhesive, Tombow liquid glue, and Stampin' dimensionals. I used just about a whole sheet to put together the set of tags. The kit comes with great full color instructions with photos for how to put these together. We're going to be making 5 tag styles and we'll do 6 of each one. So my first step was to stamp everything. Each tag just has one main piece that's going to get stamped. These ones are done in the Garden Green and these ones are done in Cherry Cobbler. So let's get to work on those. Now that we've finished doing all of the stamping, my next step was to sort all of the pieces into little piles so I had everything for each tag together. Several of the tags have doilies on them as well, and so those are included in your kit. And you'll also see that there are some special instructions for how to prepare the doilies for the different tags. So let's take care of that part right now. The Joy to Your World tag, it tells you to cut your doilies in half. So let's just take a pile of 6, cut them all in half, and we'll put those there all prepared. Same thing on this one's for Santa. We're going to cut a stack of 6 right in half. So those are ready to use. On the To From tag, this one right here, all you need is a little set of 3 scallops, just about that much of the tag. So what I'm going to do is cut a little pie shape. Just grab 3 sets of the scallops, just like that. And the last 6 doilies go with the Open on December 25th tag, and they will go on as a whole piece. So now we've got our piles all sorted. In your kit, you receive this little spool of the twine. So what you want to do is cut the whole entire thing up into 12-inch pieces. So here was my trick for how to get that all cut. This is a 12-inch ruler or 30 centimeters. And I'm just going to start it here and wrap around the ruler. So that gave me 12-inch pieces for every single tag, and I went ahead and separated those into the piles. So 6 little strings on each pile. Next, we also have both red and green ribbon. So let's prepare the pieces for each of the tags on those. Let's start with the Fa La La tag right here. We're going to use 9 inches or 23 centimeters of the red ribbon on each tag. For the To From tag, you need a 2.5-inch piece or 6 centimeters for each tag. For the Joy tag, each of your tags is going to need a 4-inch piece or 20 centimeters. But on this one, each tag needs 2 pieces and they have slanted edges like this. Now the last one is the December 25th tag, and each of these will need 2 pieces of ribbon. They need an 8-inch piece or 20 centimeters and also a 12-inch piece to make a bow, or about 25 centimeters. You actually are only going to use about half of the stars, so feel free to bling up your tags even more or bring out those stars on another project. Now we are all ready to assemble. By doing all this prep work, I can now relax, watch TV, or just chat with friends while I just assemble the tags. Want to see how to do it? Let's go. And just like that, the magic of Santa is complete. The Sincerely Santa tag kit leaves you with 30 gorgeous tags. And don't forget the adorable tin to pack them up in. This makes a wonderful gift for anyone on your list, and certainly you do need a set for yourself too. This will make gift packaging time simple, and it'll make you look like a crafty star. So grab a few friends and have fun making tags. To get all the supplies, call your demonstrator today or visit stampinup.com. Happy stampin'!